Let's have a conversation together now. The questions contain the words that you have learned in lesson 17. Let's see if you understand me. Please answer my questions. Have you ever had any problem with authorities? What is the outside temperature now? What do you do when your eyes are burning? Where is the most comfortable place for you? How often do you go to the bakery? Do you use liquid or solid soap? Are your knives sharp? Have you reduced weight recently? How many raincoats do you have at home? What's your dream travel destination? And now try to create your own sentences or questions from following words: dishes, grow, pet, unstable, fridge. And now I'm going to read a dictation. Please write it down and then read it out loud. They promised him a job in a bakery, but it didn't work out in the end. He washed dishes at a local restaurant for a while. Then he found work at a soap factory, where he remained until his retirement. He became a member of the Compromise Party and helped reduce crime in the city by working with the underprivileged youth. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.